No, but today on Pot Channel she just chased a rooster. Hey, Bot, go get it! Get it, Bot. Wow. Good girl. Yeah. What, rooster? You can't do nothing on my dog. Bot is the best. Get it. Get it, Spot. There are two. Are they gonna come back? But what do you think? Nah, they're not doing nothing. Not doing nothing. They're just leaving. Okay, guys. Spot had won episode 1. Maybe we could do episode 2 to this. Yeah, they're good. Yeah. Another one. Yeah. Yeah, but he did good. He did good. So do your intro, but thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notification button so you never miss a video. And bye. We'll see you guys later in another video. Bye, guys. Say something, bye.